Here we will see the practical of digital communication system, that is practical number 7. The aim of this practical is test the performance of natural and flat top sampling circuit. The practical significance of natural and flat top sampling circuit is in modern communication, sampling has a wide application of various forms such as analog to digital converter, digital communication, audio video signal processing, and radar signal processing. In this practical, student will understand the nature of flat top and natural sample. Natural sample is the practical method of sampling in which pulses have a finite width equal to a tau, and sampling is done in accordance with the carrier signal which is in the digital nature. Now we will see the waveform for natural and flat top signal. Here this one is the modulating signal, or it is also called as a message signal or the information signal. Then this one is the carrier signal which is called as a, which is in the digital form, so we call as a pulses. And at the output of a natural sample signal, the waveform is in this nature. After that, flat top sampling, it is like a natural sampling in nature. In comparison to a natural sampling, flat top sampling can be easily obtained. In this sampling method, top of the sample remains constant or flat and is equal to the instantaneous value of message signal x of t at the starting of sampling process. Sample and hold circuit is used for this type of sampling. During the transmission, noise is introduced at the top of transmission pulses, which can be removed in the pulses if is in the form of flat top as shown in figure. Here this one is the modulating signal and this one is the carrier signal, means is in the form of pulses, and this one is the output of a flat top sample signal. Now the resources required for this practical are: first one, we require DC power supply, after that dual scope CRO, and last one is a PAM and PCM modulator kit. Here pulse amplitude modulator kit is used to generate a natural sample signal, and pulse code modulation kit is used to generate flat top sample. Then we will see a circuit connection. Now this pulse amplitude modulator circuit is used to generate a natural sample. In this practical, here we get a modulating signal, means continuous time signal, and at the continuous time signal generator, and at the output we get a modulating signal. This one is the pulse generator. At the output of a pulse generator, it generates the carrier signal which is in the form of a pulses. Then output of a modulating signal is applied to the AF input, and output of a pulse generator is connected to a pulse generator, and observe the output of a PAM signal at this observe the output of a natural sample signal at this point. So first one, we will observe the waveform of modulating signal on CRO. So we will make connection here. This one is the modulating signal and we will connect ground. Okay, here we will see the output of modulating signal is connected to a CRO. Now we will see output of natural sample signal on CRO. This one is the modulating signal applied to a natural sampling circuit. Then next we have to check output of a pulse generator which is in the form of digital, and this signal we will observe on CRO. Now this one is the output of pulse generator which is in the form of digital nature. Then we will make connection here. These two connection make short, and after that output of pulse generator is connected to a pulse input, and we will observe output of natural sampling here. Now here connection are made and done, and the output of natural sample signal is connected to a CRO probe, and we will see the nature or observe the waveform on CRO. we will get output of natural sample in this format or in this nature. Now for flat top sampling we can use pulse code modulation kit. Here we get a AC generator, it generator modulating signal. Then this is the clock generator or timing circuit, it will generate a carrier signal. Carrier signal is internally applied to a sample and hold circuit. So here we cannot require any additional connection, only one connection is required. The output of modulating signal is connected to the input of a sample and hold circuit. These two grounded make a short, and observe the output of a sample on and hold circuit on these two terminals. So we will make connection here. Firstly we will make these two connections short. After that these two grounded will make short, and observe the output on okay. So now here connection are ready, and we will connect output of sample and hold circuit to a CRO probe. Here we get output of a sample and hold circuit. This one is the output of sample and hold circuit, that is flat top sample signal.